What's up, everybody? I'm back with another two deals video, and today we got some deals, quite a few tabs up. So go ahead and hop right on into it. First up, I just want to say Lowe's has 6% cash back with Retail Me Not. Now, we don't get any money for signing up for Retail Me Not. So, to preface that, I just want to say if you have not signed up with Rakuten, do that first because you get a bonus $30 in addition to 2% cash back. But if you've already done that, again, Retail Me Not has 6% cash back. So let's go ahead and close that so we not running down my RAM here. All right, so there's quite a few deals going on. All this whole page is full of buy one get ones. You got a bunch from Cobalt. And I've never bought a Cobalt power tool, but it's still Shervin, so it's still your skill flex, uh, Master Force. I wouldn't compare any of these to Master Force for real, but skill flex and Cobalt, obviously. But I think these Cobalts, these brushless ones are pretty good. Especially, I like this kit a lot. This one for $269 comes with a free gift. I do like that one a whole lot because that is compatible and has similar specs to your Milwaukee $399 kit, which is on sale for $349, or your DeWalt $379 kit, or your Flex, $399 kit. So anyway, moving on down though, we have a lot of Metabo HPT stuff. On buy one get one, also some Bosch. We do have some buy more save mores, but I'm going to be talking about buy one get ones today, and I picked out a few of these that I really like in particular. So let's go ahead and go through that, but I'll still leave this page up because there are some juicy little Metabo HPT deals I didn't mention in today's video. Like I mentioned this job site radio a few days ago, or this jigsaw, all under $100, and they come with two 2 amp hour batteries, the new ones, with a charger in the bag. So yeah, then this little job site blower. So let's go ahead and get into the next couple deals. So we do have this Craftsman, this 6 tool kit. I saw it in the store. I mean, this has been going on for a couple months now. You get 2 batteries, a drill, oscillating tool, impact driver, a reciprocating saw, and a circular saw, and a little flashlight for $199. That's a great little house kit. If you're starting off, this is a good deal. They have one that you can go up. It comes with 2 more tools that you probably wouldn't need for $299. But I think this $199 is a really nice little spot for somebody just getting their first little toolkit for around the house. You just bought a house. Then we have this Craftsman 121 piece set for $129. I counted. This has 63 sockets. I had to write it down up there. It comes with 63 sockets because in this picture it looks like there's a lot of sockets. And I just told you guys the other day that this little Husky set right here doesn't come with many sockets at all, and this is 270 piece. But this is $99, right? But this actually comes with more sockets. 25 deep sockets and 66 standard sockets, which it doesn't look like it when you have the kit, but I guess I still find myself needing to tap into another kit in order to really be complete here, because this, like I said, doesn't have that many sockets in me, but this has even less. One of the things that makes this really cool, I will say that this is a better set. So you can see that these wrenches, they have that extra notch cut out in them, so they're like non-slip. Excellent wrenches there, and the Huskies obviously don't have that. And these ratchets here are 120 tooth ratchets, whereas the ones over here, these Huskies, are 72 teeth. And so what that basically means is the travel from your next little click to ratchet and turn the socket is much shorter on these, and these are great for working in tight spaces. Whereas the Huskies have a great feel to them, but hey, 72 teeth is 72 teeth, and that's that. So I just wanted to give you the pros and cons of each. If you're wondering why this costs so much more, that's why it's better ratchets. Now, what I usually do is I buy a kit like this, and I'll swap out these Husky ratchets for 120 tooth ratchets. Those are usually on sale, but They not right now. Let's go ahead and double check. All right, so moving on, we're gonna go over. I just wanted to say now the sale for the Olights is over. I meant to make a mention it in the video the other day. I forgot. My bad. I did mention the day before the sale on the 15th, and I forgot to mention it last time. So everything is no longer cheaper. This Marauder Mini was like $169 as a bundle for like a month or two now. But this Perrin 2 was only on sale for like literally 2 days for $68 with an extra flashlight and something else. But I had to use this the other day, installing that trailer hitch on the FJ, and let me say, this thing came in handy. I didn't think I'd ever really use this as a headlamp because, again, it has a little clip on there that you can just clip to your shirt, and you could be walking around hands-free. I like that feature, but I did use it as a headlamp, and let me say, I've used other headlamps before, and the light concentrates on like a small area, and they're not really that bright. So while they'll light up things, I still can't really see the workpiece I'm working on. This is not that. This works perfect. On the lowest setting, I was able to see completely underneath the dash, and wherever my eyes went, this is exactly where the light went. It was perfect, man. Perfect. So next time this goes on sale, I highly recommend it. But $89.99, honestly, for what I had to use it for, I'm not mad at it. But $68 with the additional TD10 promo code, getting the extra 10% off. So yeah, TD10 still works, but again, I probably wait for a deal. Obviously, $68 that'll bring it down to almost right at $60 a bundle. Can't beat that. Anyway, I just want to let you guys know my opinion on the flashlight. It was really good. All right, so moving on back over to Lowe's, we have two of these going on. Two Metabo HPT Brad nailers. One, I just wanted to, if you guys saw the deal, this is $279. It comes with a 36 volt 2.5 amp hour battery, which on this tool, since it's an 18 volt tool, this will be a 5 amp hour battery. All right, and it also comes with their newer upgraded 18 volt batteries, 2 amp hour battery that has a battery gauge. This is $279. Now over here for also $279 is the older model that still comes with the 36 volt battery, but this comes with a 3 amp hour battery, but it does not have the battery gauge. But there's a battery gauge on the tool. Me personally, I will go for this because it's a 3 amp hour battery. Unless you want to go with the 2 amp hour battery. This is more convenient because you can just pick it up off the shelf and see where it is. This you have to actually slap in the tool to see where it is to make sure it's charged up. I don't like that, but hey, an extra amp hour is an extra amp hour, right? So I just wanted to make you guys aware of that, to pay attention if you're on Lowe's website and you see that these are not created equal, okay? There's a difference. It's the same exact tool, but it comes with a different battery in the kit. All right, so moving on. All right, so this Bosch kit right here is $199. Comes with the free 4 amp hour battery, and it comes with two, I don't even know what these are. I want to say 2 amp hour batteries. I was sitting here just trying to figure out if these batteries had, gauges on them, because I don't know. It doesn't show us that, and it doesn't say anything about the batteries at all. And I don't know if they have battery gauges on them, but this impact driver produces 1,800 inch-pounds, whereas this drill produces 400 inch-pounds. And this is going to probably be a really nice set for $199. I'm sure it is. This outperforms the Milwaukee M12 stuff for sure. And these are also super compact tools. I just also wanted to give you another alternative, right? This Metabo HPT, and this is going to have a lifetime warranty, where this impact driver is not as powerful, produces a little over 1,200 inch-pounds of torque, 1,240. But this drill is 480 inch-pounds. And let me tell you guys, I've never held these in my hand, these Bosch ones, but these are super light. They're super small. They're like toys. They really are like toys, but man, they are powerful little tools. So I like these a lot, and this is only $125. And like I said, you have this for $199, and you get an extra battery, that 4 amp hour battery, that Pro Factor battery. But just wanted to show you guys too. I don't think you'll be disappointed with either, but I'll just say again, this has a lifetime warranty. But these are little dinky 1.5 amp hour batteries. But again, it's still good enough for these tools right here. And then also, I wanted to just show you, if you, in case you scroll down, you saw, oh, there's a little bundle right here. I get all this for $224. Nah, you screwing yourself, because for the same amount of money, if you buy them separately, you can add this to cart, and you'll get the two amp hour new batteries with the charger. So, and I believe this also comes with the bag. So, well, no, it doesn't. No, it doesn't. This comes in a big plastic thing. So it's just a charger and the two batteries. I don't know. It might come with a bag. I don't know. It might be a bag hidden in there. But anyway, $99, and then you add this to the 124, 125, and they're 224. Right? Same thing, but you're getting extra batteries. So please do that. Then you have this pin nailer. Same thing. Pin nailer on a BOGO. And I just thought this was funny that they have Hisense refrigerators as a buy more, save more. Some of y'all might be big balling, out of control. Or if you are getting Samsung appliances, you can, buy them all together, and you can get buy more, save more on that. I'm not all that fond of the Samsung stuff. I have some Samsung appliances, and they're okay. All right, moving on over to Home Depot, and this is where the real deals are shining. All right, so first up we have, I just took that away, darn it. This, I just talked about it the other day, the Milwaukee cutoff tool, and this is a kit, comes with a 4 amp hour battery. And right now, for $229, you can get a free 5 amp hour high output battery. So if we go to the cart, and you didn't want to keep everything, but I will say probably keep that high output battery for that thing. This kit becomes $153.65, which is not bad for the whole kit. But I will probably say for $229, keep this high output battery. This thing is normally $120, and it'll squeeze a little extra oomph out of this, but it's still not seeing that DeWalt. Another thing, while we're here, if you buy this whole hog, you'll get this hacksaw for $107. Or again, you could just keep the hacksaw for $107. You don't necessarily need the whole hog. This is a great price for this one-handed reciprocating saw right here. This thing is normally almost $200. And then we saw it on the special buy today the other day, and it was still almost $200, but did come with some stuff. But $107 tool only. Great deal right there. Then we also have this. So that was that right there. So we have this starter kit, which is weird, from Milwaukee, a 5 amp hour and a CP 2 amp hour battery, which is usually two 5 amp hour batteries for the same $199, but whatever. And they're coming with some free stuff. So you have this wet dry vac. It's only 2 gallon though, so keep that in mind. Then you have the job site fan, a sander. Then you have a non-fuel oscillating tool, the fuel hammer drill, and the surge fuel impact driver, and this rover light. So you can play around with these if you want. I'm going to focus on these two because these are already marked down. This wet dry vac becomes $66, I believe, and the job site fan becomes $61, I think. Let's go back to the cart. So yeah, so the vacuum becomes $66 as well. Those are great prices. I don't need to tell y'all those are great prices for those two items. And finally, all right, so here's a unique thing. So we have this stubby, generally $269 for this kit. So you get the stubby, you get a 4 amp hour battery, a 2 amp hour battery, the charger in the bag, right? So if you add this to cart, obviously it comes with a free 5 amp hour battery, which will make this thing really move. But then when you go to the cart though, yeah, this is not much of a hack. It only makes this kit $252.90, which Home Depot is, getting hip to certain things. Or not hip, they just modifying their deals to make them so you don't return one of the items or you keep both. And obviously for $269, you just want to keep both. So that's an interesting little thing right there. And that is it for today, you guys. Hopefully it was helpful. I'd also want to say, if you get any value from these videos, please consider subscribing. It helps me out a lot. Helps me get sponsorships, so I don't have to charge you guys anything. And I can continue to make these videos. Also consider signing up for Slick Deals. Links in the description. You'll find some more deals on Slick Deals as well, like this that just popped up that I did not see. This oscillating tool. I think I did mention this a few days ago, but this is a new deal. You can come just visit Slick Deals. Doesn't cost you anything to sign up, but it will help me out tremendously. And that is it for today. See you guys next time. Buy some merch.